Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon gift cards. First, find the unique claim code on your gift card. For physical cards, it's usually under a scratch-off strip. For digital cards, it's in the email. Next, go to Amazon.com or open the Amazon app. Log into your account, then navigate to the gift cards section. Here, you'll enter the claim code to instantly add the gift card's value to your Amazon balance, ready for shopping. Once you've added a gift card, checking your balance is simple. Just log into your Amazon account and head back to the gift cards section. Your total available gift card balance will be clearly displayed at the top of the page. This allows you to easily keep track of how much credit you have remaining for future purchases, ensuring you always know your spending power before you shop. When you're ready to buy something, simply add your chosen items to your Amazon shopping cart and proceed to checkout. On the payment selection page, you'll see an option to use your gift card balance. Select this option, and the available funds will automatically be applied to your order. If your purchase exceeds the gift card amount, you can pay the remaining balance with another payment method, like a credit card. Here are some crucial tips for using Amazon gift cards. First, your Amazon gift card balance never expires, so you can use it whenever you like. Second, gift cards cannot be reloaded or transferred to another account once redeemed. Third, you can easily combine gift card funds with other payment methods for larger purchases. Finally, always be vigilant against scams. Only buy gift cards from reputable retailers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.